located near Pilot Point, or 14 miles south of Whitesboro, moving east at 40 miles per hour. In addition, other storms producing hail were located near Norwood and near Howen-Dombine. These storms were also moving northeast and east respectively. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Sherman, Denison, Whitesboro, Van Alstyne, Howell, Pottsboro, Collinsville, Whitewright, Gunter, Bells, Tombine, Norwood, Dorchester, Lake Kiowa, Eisenhower State Park, Rear Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Southern Lake Texoma, South Maid, Tioga, and Sadler. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest